Hi guys, to receive this Mechanical Seahorse for reviewing purposes, it's actually a 3D metal puzzle that I think it's gonna be really nice. Let me open it. We have all the little pieces right here. Okay, as you can see, we've got different envelopes. Okay, when we have all the nuts, bolts, screws, everything we need. Okay, some tweezers, some screwdrivers, some tricks, some gears in here, and the instruction manual. Okay, so let's go ahead and start assembling it. Come on. Okay, as you can see, it's already assembled. I think it's really nice. I must say that it did take quite a lot of time, to be honest. It requires a bit of patience, but I think it's really well rewarded with this beautiful mechanical seahorse that I think it will look amazing. Okay, you can select if you want, well, these little designs of color blue, or if you want them like just the regular gears color, or even red, which I think it's a nice option to have the option to choose which color some details are. Overall, I think it's really nice. It comes really well with everything you need to assemble it. You have obviously a lot of extra pieces in case that you will lost for any reason some of it, and it's really nice. So overall, I would really recommend it. See you guys.